Hi everyone. So diamondartgift.com reached out to me and asked if I wanted to partner up with them and review some of their products. So I said yes, because I saw this little guy on there and I'm like, I need it immediately. I need it in my life. Look at this. It is a little Nomi homie for your garden, but look. I thought that was hilarious. I'm like, I need this little pooping little Nomi homie. So I got him, and then I chose this little book right there. Let me get everything out. Then I got a pen, and then replacement tips for this pen. So this is a little like picker up. See, this little gnome came all wrapped up, but the little like foam stuff just kind of exploded in the bag it came in. So it's just all kind of a mess right now. So this is to pick up your little gemmies. So I'd love this one because it's blue. And then, like I said, I got the little replacement tips for it as well. So you could use this side as, you know, like a little pokey side. And then use this for your little diamond dots. And then here are the little replacements for that. Then let me show you this. I can't remember if it's like an album or a journal or what. So let's open it together and see what all it comes with. So for this one, it is rhinestones, which are my favorite. If you are going to do any kind of diamond art, I always suggest making sure that it has the rhinestones instead of the regular classic, because I just think they're so much prettier. And then this kit came with everything you need to get started: your pin, your wax, and the tray for your diamond dots. And then there's this little deer right here. Oh yeah, it's like a little photo album. So it actually has for you to just go ahead and put your pictures in here. So that's really nice. So there's probably a 4x6 that would fit in there and slide in. So isn't that really cute? And then you can always use the back side as well. So that's really cute. Oh, it's front and back. Oh no, this one got messed up though. Oh, that's a bummer. So the back got messed up. I don't know if I'm going to be able to fix that. And then, like I said, here's the front. So let me put this together and then I'll show you guys what it looks like when this is all completed. And I'll definitely leave a link down below in the description box with the website, so you guys could go ahead and go check them out. Like I said, I was so in love with this Zotonomi guy that's why I was like, oh my gosh, I have to work with them, because I love that they have little garden figures. So let me be right back with this. Okay, so I just wanted to share with you guys our completed project. Here is the little deer album. It came out so cute. I really like how this came out. I would definitely go back and look and see if there's more of these little album types. So I just really love that you get all the space on this side, and then you can just turn it over and you get tons of space on this side as well. And then the cover is just so beautiful on the front and the back. So there really is no front and back because it's the same on either cover. So yes, this is just absolutely gorgeous. I just think it's so stinking pretty. And yeah, so that's basically it for today, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.